How do you simulate a biodiesel fatty acid fraction in Aspen Plus when it doesn't exist in the component database? In this video, I'll show you how to create and characterize a pseudocomponent using only its normal boiling point and density. Open Aspen Plus software. In Component Selection table, write the name of the fatty acid fraction, for example, fat acid, and select the component type pseudocomponent. Then, use the red lighted pseudocomponent link in the component menu to enter its known properties. The more known parameters are inserted, the more accurate description of the component. However, in this case, only normal boiling point and density are known. Retain the default settings, basic layout, and Aspen property method. Navigate to the method selection page and choose the ideal method as an example to demonstrate how unknown parameters can be identified. To display unknown parameters of the pseudocomponent fat acid, use Review at the component specification page. This is the list of calculated unknown parameters. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell icon to stay tuned.